Hello, welcome to Ludic Science. In this video I will show you the basic connection of the optical sensor TCRT5000, which emits an infrared light and also detects it. When the infrared light reflects on a surface, the device emits a signal that can be used to activate any other device. In this case, a simple LED, just to show how it works. Internally, the device has an infrared diode and also a phototransistor. It is not symmetric, the body is not symmetric, so we can identify the pins. As you can see here, this is the infrared LED and below the phototransistor. Therefore, the LED emits infrared light, and if this light is reflected on a surface, then goes to the base of the phototransistor, and the phototransistor permits the pass of current. And this current is the signal that we can use for any other purpose. Next time you need a PCB for your electronics project, consider using the professional services of JLCPCB. JLCPCB is the world leader in PCB fabrication. You can order online. You just need to register, upload your Gerber file, and wait a few days for your PCBs at an unbeatable price. This is the full circuit in order to turn on a simple LED when the light is reflected on a surface. Let's see it working. It is now connected to the power supply and the infrared light is being emitted, but it cannot reflect on any surface, so the LED remains off. Let me now put a piece of paper so the light can reflect, and you can see how the LED turns on. It can also work with your hand because also reflects some of the light. With a dark or black surface, it will not work because the infrared light is absorbed by the dark surface. The output signal, of course, is of very low current, so we can only turn on a small LED. However, of course, we can connect a power transistor, MOSFET, operational amplifier, in order to operate larger loads. I will do this in a forthcoming video. For today, that's all. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for coming to my channel and see you in the next one.